All right, so right here is where you turn it on. You're just going to turn the key all the way over, and you'll see the screen illuminate. This controls which direction you're going, so forward, back, and park. This controls the spraying, so for the water. This one is for raising the brush and lowering the brush. So if you're not using the brush, I would always recommend putting it up. But if you switch it down, you'll see that the brush goes all the way down. You can, if you don't want it all the way down, you can raise it up a little bit and have it stop by putting it back in the center. And if you're not using it, I would just push it all the way back to the top. This one controls the sweeping and the vacuum. So pushing sweep will sweep all the debris into the back. And this one is the vacuum. As you can hear as the vacuum is running. On this side, you have your light, which turns on your front light so everyone can see you, and illuminates the buttons on the panel and the horn. Your steering wheel, this horn is not doing anything. This is your horn. This pedal on this side is to lift up the latch. If you have large debris like pieces of wood or something like that that doesn't get swept in with the sweeper, you're going to use this. This lifts it up in order for it to get in easier. You have your brake and your gas. You also have controls on the side for the sprayer. So those are for the front sprayer, and then you have one on the back for the back sprayer, which is here. Your mop, and this is where you fill up the water. To dump the debris, this comes all the way out. You push it all the way back in. Here's your charging port. So you just plug in the adapter there and then you plug it into the wall. If you ever need to change the brushes, it does come with additional set of brushes. You just go ahead and unscrew here on this side, and there's another one on the other side. And you have access to the brush and the vacuum and the catch. If you have any electrical issues or anything like that, there's a handle here to lift up the back to see inside. So you have your batteries, the motor, and everything like that. You shouldn't have to be in here. And that's it. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.